Hello everyone, this is my review of the VacBird vacuum seal bags with the rechargeable cordless pump. These bags come with their own pump, so I didn't need to use a vacuum cleaner or find a special attachment. I just charged the pump, clipped it on, and within minutes, the air was gone and the bag was compressed. It felt super easy. What I really like is how much space I saved. I packed clothes, blankets, pillows, and even a comforter, and they shrunk down way smaller than I expected. The rechargeable pump is also a nice touch. It's cordless and portable, so I didn't have to wrestle with a vacuum hose. I could work on a bed, couch, or closet floor without dragging out tools. It made the whole process feel less like a chore and more like a quick project. If I'm being honest though, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. Make sure the bag is fully zipped and the valve is sealed before you pump, because any tiny leak means you won't get the full compression. Also, these work best with soft items like clothes, comforters, and pillows. They're less effective with bulky, hard items or items that don't compress easily. Overall, if you want a simple, effective way to save space for seasonal clothes, bedding, blankets, and more without dragging out a vacuum cleaner, this VacBird set is a great choice. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.